Sustainable living involves adopting habits and making choices that reduce an individual's or society's environmental impact. The goal is to minimize the use of natural resources and ensure that current needs are met without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. So what can we do to have a sustainable life? Living sustainably involves making conscious choices to reduce your environmental impact. One practical step you can take is to buy eco-friendly products. Eco-friendly products are items that are designed to have minimal impact on the environment throughout their life cycle, from production and use to disposal. These products are often made from sustainable materials, utilize environmentally friendly manufacturing processes, and promote conservation and efficiency. If you are going to choose a household product, you should analyze energy-efficient appliances. Refrigerators, washing machines, dishwashers, and other appliances that consume less energy, often labeled with ENERGY STAR certification. Choosing LED light bulbs, you're going to use significantly less energy and it will last longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. Choose water-saving fixtures, such as low-flow shower heads, faucets, and toilets, that reduce water consumption. Use recycled paper products, such as toilet paper, paper towels, and office paper made from recycled materials. For personal care products, choose natural and organic skincare or products made from natural ingredients without harmful chemicals or synthetic fragrances. Biodegradable soaps and shampoos, which are personal care items that break down naturally and don't pollute waterways. Reusable razors, stainless steel safety razors instead of disposable plastic razors. Bamboo toothbrushes, which are toothbrushes made from sustainable bamboo instead of plastic. Cleaning products should be non-toxic cleaners, cleaning supplies made from natural, biodegradable ingredients that are safe for the environment and human health. You should also choose reusable cleaning cloths or cloths made from sustainable materials that can be washed and reused, reducing waste. Eco-friendly detergents or laundry and dishwashing detergents that are phosphate-free and biodegradable are also important. Before continuing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is very important so we can make new videos for you. Your choices for clothing and accessories are also important. It is better to choose organic cotton and hemp clothing. Clothes made from organically grown cotton and hemp that use fewer pesticides and water. You should prefer recycled fabric clothing or apparel made from recycled materials such as plastic bottles or reclaimed textiles. Sustainable footwear or shoes made from natural or recycled materials, often produced using ethical manufacturing processes and reusable bags. Sustainable packaging is important every time you buy something. Try to choose minimalist packaging, products with reduced packaging, or packaging made from recycled or biodegradable materials, and refillable containers, or products sold in containers designed to be refilled, reducing waste. For your house, there are some important choices. Regarding food and kitchen products, you must have reusable food storage or containers and wraps made from glass, stainless steel, silicone, or beeswax instead of single-use plastic. Compostable cutlery and plates or utensils and dishware made from materials like bamboo or cornstarch that break down naturally, and eco-friendly cookware. Pots and pans made from sustainable materials like cast iron or recycled aluminum. For your office, try to use recycled paper and notebooks, eco-friendly pens and pencils or writing instruments made from recycled or biodegradable materials, and reusable water bottles and coffee cups, stainless steel, glass, or BPA-free plastic bottles and cups. If you are going to buy electronics, choose energy-efficient electronics, laptops, TVs, and other gadgets designed to consume less power. It is also important to participate in electronic waste recycling programs, which are programs that recycle electronic devices to recover valuable materials and reduce landfill waste. Outdoor and garden products are also important. You should have solar-powered devices such as outdoor lights, chargers, and gadgets powered by solar energy. Compost bins are containers for composting organic waste, turning it into nutrient-rich soil, and rain barrels to collect and store rainwater for garden use, reducing the need for tap water. Choosing eco-friendly products helps reduce your environmental footprint, supports sustainable industries, and promotes a healthier planet. If you liked the video, leave your like, and don't forget to subscribe. This is very important so we can make new videos for you.